Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to a new reaction video on our channel. Today we are reacting to Taambdi Chaamdi. It's a rap and like R&B kind of music, hip hop kind of music from Maharashtra. So it's in Marathi language, and this is the first time we are reacting to something that's in Marathi. So
really?
this song has been making waves. It's so many like big reaction people have reacted to this song. So
I think I've even seen like L India talking about it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Marathi, they have some really cool like rap and hip hop stars, singers, and I'm really excited to check this out.
Okay.
Let's go take a look at this song.
Let's see what all this is about. Definitely drunk? No? Or not paying attention? Because he took 2 times to open the door.
Oh, that's his dad? Okay, he's the one who dances.
Oh, yeah.
I don't understand.
I like that guy already. Oh, that is shiny.
Almost like Cardi B style.
Oh, I like it. Oh, damn. Wait, I love it. That is shiny.
It reminds my brown can shines in this
I don't know if it's his skin or his jacket, but wait, you keep saying the same. Oh no, okay.
Marathi rap sounds really cool.
Sounds so hard to say quickly. I love that guy.
That's top level rap song. Yeah, this is really cool. His dad.
Oh no, so cool. His dad is cooler than him.
That's
the
girl
from the staircase. I love this guy. I need that jacket.
I mean, even the glasses, they're really cool.
Yeah. But the glasses, they're more, like, they're easier to find than that jacket. I mean, the whole thing.
What a cool song. That's
so fun.
Oh yeah, that's the dance floor.
Wait, she's gonna do it next. Yeah, that's her turn.
Funny ageless. Wow, that's a cool concept. Yeah, that's really beautiful. The song. I told you Marathi when they rap, it sounds really cool, because I don't know how to explain this, but the language, it has this like
this
raw sound. Like I don't know how to explain this, but yeah, it sounds really good when
yeah.
And they have a lot of rappers and really good talent in Marathi. So, and I'm really happy to have reacted to our first Marathi song on our channel, and I'm really happy that Taambdi Chaamdi is the first
This
song.
is such a fun song.
Marathi
Though
song
I
we
have to
reacted
say
on
it's
our
really a
channel.
dancing song because there's
Yeah.
not that many lyrics and it's pretty much always the same.
I'm pretty sure all the
sentence.
DJs they're already playing this in discos
Yeah,
and
for sure.
whatnot, and people must be dancing and enjoying their life.
Yeah.
And the message at the very end, fun is ageless, and
I love
I don't
that.
think it's only made for people who are young, but it's
Mm.
also people of any age, and especially people from old age, they can also have fun. Like rap music. When you talk about like rap music, hip hop, they usually associated with
Young people.
like young people,
Yeah, yeah.
but fun is not fun is
yeah.
ageless, people. Yeah. So
Really cool.
cool,
song.
really cool song. Absolutely loved it. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
going to be on my list pretty soon. I'm going to be listening every day
Yeah.
for some time
this
for
is-
sure.
This is definitely a fun song.
Yeah, cool. If you have listened to the song, please let us know in the comment section what you thought about it. And
Be
have a good day.
careful. I'm sure it's addicting. Bye.